Well, hey there, today I'm going to show you how to install a M6 toggler fixing system into a toilet pan for the seat. So it's really simple. You'll notice here that it's got two what they call a snap-off part, that's why it's called a snap toggler. When you twist them like so, you'll notice that this little anchor point here can be pushed through this hole, which is the perfect size for it. So you push it through here like so and bring it back, and what you will need to do is, before you fix it into place, you turn it round and just pull it up to make sure that it's getting it's in the correct position. So as I'm turning it around here, I can feel that it's not going quite right in one position and it's looking fairly firm in another. So once I've ascertained where the correct position is for the anchor point down underneath, you can then grab this little part here, which works very similar to a cable tie, and so you hold the two snap parts of it up and press that down, and then it will secure quite nicely. You just push it down to make sure that it's nice and firm, and then what you want to do is just twist it this way and that way, and then that'll snap it off. So that there is the snap toggler in place. It'll hold itself in place, so then you can put the seat mount down and put the bolt through and tighten it up. Hope this helps.